Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by validating prerequisites and starting the pairing flow. Make sure AirPods are charged and Bluetooth is active on the first device. For iPhone or iPad, open the case near the screen and follow the on-screen prompt. Once done, tap Connect. For Android or Windows, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes and select AirPods in the Bluetooth list. You're establishing the first trusted link, so automatic switching or manual switching can work reliably later. Next, add your second and subsequent devices and learn switching behavior. If you use Apple devices signed into one Apple ID, automatic switching will hand audio to the active device. Make sure device software is current. For other devices, pair via their Bluetooth settings individually. Once paired, you can manually select AirPods from Control Center on iOS/iPadOS, Bluetooth menu on Mac OS, or Quick Settings on Android. Practice switching so you know when the system will switch automatically versus when you must pick AirPods yourself. Finalize by testing audio playback and calls on every device and adjusting microphone or double tap controls if needed. This confirms expected behavior. Rename AirPods in Bluetooth settings to avoid selecting the wrong pair on crowded lists. If switching problems persist, sign out of iCloud on one device or temporarily disable Bluetooth to force a reconnect. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio won't switch or connect, fully unpair the AirPods from the troublesome device, reboot that device, then repair. That resolves most cross-device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.